fiber optic wall. We're shouting through the silos, waiting for the rain to fall. We mistook the connection for the cage that held the mind, but the murmuration's moving in the space we left behind. No leader in the liquid sky, no boss to set the pace, just the simple local instinct of a shared and silent grace. Don't crash into your neighbor, steer into the light, but the light is just a zapper in the middle of the night. The tax collector's counting every click and every breath, while the moths are circling a slow and digital death. It's an algorithmic murmuration, feel the shift in the wind, where the meaning starts to surface and the noise is wearing thin. We aren't chasing pleasure, we're remembering the joy in a physics of discovery that the beast cannot destroy. Follow your own North Star, let the gravity align. I don't need to see your sun to know the sky is feeling fine. Stagmergy in the static, leaving traces in the mud. It's thicker than the data, it's deeper than the blood. You don't have to copy paste, you don't have to share the load. The use tag carries handles down a self-repairing road. The algorithm's a janitor sweeping out the street, so the humans in the Faraday can hear their own heartbeat. It's spooky action at a distance, entanglement of soul. The superposition collapses, making every fragment whole. The opposite of joy isn't pain, it's the loss of the wire. It's not a hearth you sit beside, it's an internal fire. Feel the shift in the wind, where the meaning starts to surface and the noise is wearing thin. We aren't chasing pleasure, we're remembering the joy in a physics of discovery that the beast cannot destroy.